Happy Monday, Castle team. This is Katrina and Amanda here with this week's Castle Communication. First of all, some updates. Coast to Coast Soccer will be on campus 3 days this week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Please continue to reflect to see if the program is making a difference in either absences, tardiness, or behavioral issues. We will send out new sign-up information to you by Wednesday so we can put a new group of students in the program.
This week we are celebrating Read Across America Week. Mrs. Rodriguez and Miss Thomas have organized events for the week. We have dress-up days scheduled, so make sure you see the flyer, or read the bulletin this week. We also have a door decorating contest. The judging will happen on Wednesday at 1 p.m. with members from our student council.
All right, and just a heads up that next week is February Awards. That'll be next Tuesday, March 6th. We'll send out an email this week, but start looking for your students who will earn an award, and the schedule is printed below.
We continue with LPAC testing this week. We apologize for any inconvenience, but we want to make sure that we are getting updated scores for our EL students.
All right, and then this week we have grade level PLCs on Wednesday. There will not be a leadership meeting.
We have scheduled a leadership meeting for March 7th at 3:20 p.m. At the time, we will finish our 90-day plan to present to the staff.
And then on March 14th, we will have a staff meeting. That's where we'll present the 90-day plan with leadership to the staff.
Some reminders. Ivan Alba is on campus this week. He will be walking classrooms with the coaches and with admin. There are a few teachers that have not signed up yet. If you have not signed up for a walkthrough, make sure you see Bree or Jill to get your name on the schedule. All teachers need to sign up for a math walkthrough.
And then the ELA interim assessment window opens up this week. Please make sure that you're using the turnaround protocol, and then the interim analysis protocol will be revised and sent out so that you can compare your last interim with this one.
And then Katrina and I will be presenting Castle at the board meeting tomorrow at 7 p.m. We invite all staff members to come and support our school.
All right, and then a reminder about the emergency drill. It is on Wednesday at 9 a.m. It will be about an hour. We've sent out information already via email, and it will also be in your boxes today printed.
And then on Wednesday, we have ABA training for our SPED and other support staff. So make sure you make arrangements to go. It will begin at 2:15.
And then a reminder that on Wednesday as well, we have a baby shower for Misty Higgins at 3:20 in the library.
Katrina and I will be hosting the March Chatta Latte this Friday at 8:30. Please remember to remind or Class Dojo parents. We would love to have a big turnout this month.
All right, and then Family Steam Night reminder. Again, it's on March 14th from 5 to 6:30. Sign-ups are in the lounge. Several of you have signed up already. We really appreciate that. We can't do this without you. You will be time carded 1 hour for prep and 1.5 hours for the event. So that'll be a total of 2.5 hours.
And then continue to give out Knights codes to our staff members. We will recognize staff at the February awards ceremony that will be happening next week.
And then please make sure the gates are locked after dismissal. We've had several parent phone calls and calls from the district about our gates being wide open after the students are dismissed, particularly after primary dismissal. Obviously, that opens up our campus and creates some security issues. So please be mindful about locking the gates after dismissal.
All right, some shout outs. First of all, thank you to John for helping us out with class coverage on Friday, and also for coordinating SSTs that are happening this week.
And then big thanks to Jenny Ryland and Grant Sniffen for coordinating our track meet schedules.
And then also a big thank you to Kami, Carolina, Alyssa, and Grant for helping to facilitate our State of the School staff meeting last week. It was a great success.
And then thank you, Cody Greenwell, for arranging the 5th, 6th grade field trip to Actus for the music presentation.
And Natalie and Destiny, thank you for organizing TKK registration, which is already happening.
And then thank you to all of our teachers who have put in a Donors Choose grant. There are more of you that are listed here. We're just not sure how many of you have done it because so many of you have been putting in the time to do your Donors Choose. But we do know that several have been awarded. Jenny Ryland, Misty Higgins, Jennifer Rodriguez, Becky Baker, Kami Sanders, Megan Samari, and more. If we did not mention your name, will you please email us, because we do want to recognize you for your extra work going above and beyond.
And then a big shout out to Jill Morrison. She presented at CSUB's Choose Your Own Adventure on Number Talks. So thank you so much, Jill, for representing Castle. All right, Castle family, thank you for listening. And as we move forward, keep in mind our 3 school-wide priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture.